Life's such a beautiful thing, don't you think? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Come on, be a part of the notification. Alright, here we go guys. Another classic fast food Americanized meal here in Vietnam, guys. You know why I'm doing this, guys? Just because I want to try their twist, their take on it. Because everywhere I go, guys, it tastes different. Or every fast food joint I go to, guys, it tastes way off and way more different. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm saying it's their twist, their take on it, and it's interesting to me, alright? We cool with that, guys? Vietnamese street food coming. I promise you. On the menu today, I got their Deluxe Cheeseburger, their McChicken. I got 2 fries that came with it, or it's the combo. I got a McRoyal Deluxe. Looks mighty tasty, guys. Yeah, look at it. Looks like a, what is it? Not a quarter pounder. Yeah, it looks like a quarter pounder with just all that topping on top. I got a McSpicy Deluxe. Looks mighty tasty. I'll say it looks better than the ones in Canada. Yeah. We got the Big Mac. You can't go wrong with the Big Mac, guys. Look at the Big Mac. Where's the cheese on top? I don't know. Oh, I guess the cheese at the bottom. It looks all good, right, guys? The patty kind of looks a little dry, but we'll see, guys. But where's the mac sauce, though, right? I guess the mac sauce doesn't... Oh, there it is. There's the mac sauce, guys. Next, we got this. We got some barbecue sauce. We got 3 drinks right here. We got the tomato ketchup on these packets here. We got the nuggets. Oh, we got chicken wings, actually. Chicken wings. Never had McDonald's chicken wings ever before. We got the apple pie. We got a kids meal. I don't know why I got a kids meal, guys. I got a kids meal. All right, we got the mini cheeseburger and the fries here. Came with a toy or Hot Wheels car, a Milo, and the nuggets. I'm pumped to try this, guys. Let's get into this.
Lên chụp thôi, chụp đẹp hơn rồi. Lên chụp đẹp hơn rồi.
Ăn quán thì robot ạ, không ạ, chơi game ạ.
Chơi game hả? Đi câu game. Nó bỏ cái này xuống nè.
Ta có tương ớt.
Có tương ớt không đó? Tương ớt đấy.
Biết này. Lấy cái tương ớt ra đi.
Lấy đi.
Có vẻ này cái chi đi ăn đẹp đi.
Apple pie là bánh
chắc không?
bánh. Got bust out the Heinz. So I found Heinz here in Vietnam. So I'm very pumped for it, guys. So, Annie, Emily, Annie. All I'm gonna do, set myself up with the best thing ever. I'm taking it. I'm telling her to try this on the side and this on the side and tell me what tastes better. Also Heinz, right guys? Heinz should sponsor this. Okay.
Dụng nước, dụng.
Cá. Nè, lấy dưới này. Okay. So this is Vietnamese ketchup. And I'm gonna tell her just to compare it to the real stuff, the good stuff, right? Okay, just a bit of it. Okay, let's do this. She likes this one. Em ăn khoai tây chiên. Cái tiếng anh bỏ đấy đúng không? Cái tiếng anh này. Bỏ cái tiếng bên đó. Cho thịt Việt Nam ngon nhất.
Cái tiếng ca em thích.
Hả? Đây tiếng này phải không? Em đổi lại á?
Một bí cho mày.
Oh, tiếng ớt. Oh, okay. She put the spicy sauce on this. So she put the spicy bag on this, and I told her to try this one and this one. Đây tiếng anh bỏ phải không? Em bỏ tiếng này nè. Now I tell her to try this one. I'm getting a little confused here. Got a barbecue sauce then. 2 tiếng. Ok. Đây là barbecue sauce. Đây là chấm vì càng gà nó bị đá, nó đấm búa. Chọn như nào thì dùng ketchup đó. Ngon à? Thứ đi. Okay, she doesn't like it. Được không? Okay. Let's go on with this first, guys. This is what I want to try. The grand finale. The Big Mac, guys. So check out this Big Mac, guys. Looks legit or what? I say it looks legit. I thought they didn't, or I thought they cheesed me on the barbecue, or not the barbecue sauce, the Big Mac sauce. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna chop it right in half. Then give the future wifey, right? The future wifey a bite of this. Okay, here it goes. Half of this, guys. Quick time! Hands got it. Nice. It's smaller here, I think. No, don't jump. I told her not to dip it. Don't jump. It's weird because every time she eats something, she has to dip it into this hot sauce or the Vietnamese hot sauce. Được không? Được ngon. Lạc đấy. Lạc sao? Okay, she says it's plain. I don't know why she's saying it's plain. And she has to dip it. Super pumped for this. Look how juicy this looks, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Huh? Okay, that's beautiful. Super pumped for this. Lạc sao? Does it taste like a Big Mac? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. What's fun about this? I think I found the perfect one for me. She smacks like me. I think I smack less, but she smacks more. I think if I tell her, I think she will offend it though. That's not saying anything, right? Rồi em ăn rồi vì anh ăn luôn á. Anh vì em làm nè.
Kiếu á.
Đây là kiếu là nghe á. Ăn gì nhiều như thế. Em vì sao? Ăn gì là ngon phải không? Mình thử đồ vô đó. Way to embarrass her, guys. Way to embarrass her. Ngon không? Chậm là ngon này. No, okay. Wow. He's kind of choked up because I only gave her one of the spicy sauce. But I say it's not that great, guys, in my opinion. All right, this is their deluxe burger. Look how many mayonnaise. Look how much mayonnaise they throw in this. Looks mighty tasty though. There. I'm not gonna cut this in half. I'm just gonna take one good bite out of it. Look at the patty. I think this patty is like a quarter pounder patty. Yeah. She doesn't want a bite of this. I'm just gonna take one good bite of this. Super pumped for this. When you bite into a burger, guys, like I said, mean it. There. I get close for this. I'm gonna drip all over this. I don't care. She didn't mean it. That's very tasty. You can hate on McDonald's all you want, then. But McDonald's is legit. I would say anywhere they go, McDonald's is top notch. Fast food joint. Fast food joint, speaking. Right. This one kind of just looks exactly the same, but smaller. Okay. Bữa. Ooh, cha. Biggest bite ever or what? Yeah. Super pumped for this. Here's your price cut. This one just says like this one, but smaller.
Ăn được.
Em mà ăn món này chưa? McDonald's luôn. Đây là lần được.
Không, ăn. Cái này ngon.
Cái này ngon. Cái hiệu này phải không? I just asked her if she ever had McDonald's before. She said yes, but not this type of McDonald's. So I think she ate something else. Here, guys. The chicken nuggets. Quick time. With ketchup. Just got it. Nice. Super pumped for this. No, on. It's stale. You get. My kind of grill, but it's stale, just like your original nuggets you get at home when it's stale, right? Mm. Same thing. McChicken. She wants some of this McChicken. Alright. McChicken with McChicken sauce. The McChicken here seems to be more bigger, I was like, more bigger. I was gonna cut her a slice. Ah, got me. I was gonna give her this piece. You what? She said it's too much. I'm bite of this. Quick tap. Has got it. Nice. Oh, I have some ketchup on there already, but it's okay. Super pumped for this. Mm. 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 McChicken tastes like McChicken. McChicken sauce tastes like McChicken sauce. McDonald's keeping it real, guys. They're not changing nothing about the taste. This is what I want to try. McDonald's chicken wing. Kotak. It's got it. Nice. This is how you eat it, guys. Okay. You take your 3 hands. I'll show you again. You take that knuckle there. You want to push all that meat down. Like so. Once you get it, pop that into your mouth. Pop this in your mouth. Like so. Push it out or drag it out. Mmm. Alright. I don't know why McDonald's has not opened a menu for their chicken wings yet. Their chicken wings are legit, guys. If this chicken wing had to go against the 3 chicken wing I put against, this chicken wing will win. It's perfect. Perfect amount of spice, perfect amount of everything. It's gone. Oh man. Let's see how much or how clean she cleans her bones. And we'll watch her, alright guys? We'll just low-key eat this one. This is their spicy chicken burger. Looks not bad, guys. Looks very good. I want to say it kind of looks like a Wendy's spicy burger because of the chicken breast. It's so thick here. You know, in Canada, their chicken breast is just tiny for some reason. Just, I don't know why it's tiny. It's just tiny. Here, it's thick. Bọt lên. Bọt ra đấy. Anh?
No.
So this is kind of her first time ever trying all of this, guys. So it's kind of weird and cool at the same time to see her reaction because she's a rice, fish, and veggie kind of type girl. Guys, look how juicy in this looks. Look how juicy, tasty this burger looks, guys. But let's quick time. Let's get it. Nice. Super pumped for this. Guess what? Oh my god, she's eating the bone, guys. She's eating the bone. I super pumped for this. Wow. Wow. Okay. Out of all spicy chicken burgers I've eaten, Wendy's had the best one. Wendy's now has a new challenger. Look how beautiful this is, guys. You see that? It's juicy. It's dark meated. It's actually dark meated, guys. Look at all this stuff on my face though. It's okay, guys. It's just amazing, guys. Unbelievable. Alright. Let's show you guys. Just say guys. She smacks like me. Kind of eats like me. But look at her chicken bone. She eats it through, guys. Holy. Ăn gì đấy? Ăn này hết luôn hả? Look at that. She eats the bones too. I think she's a keeper, guys. I think she's a keeper, right? Good job. She's poking me right now. She's kind of embarrassed for some reason. But she gotta know that I'm actually proud of her. Ow, ow. She's kneeing me on the thighs, guys. Like she thinks I'm like low key embarrassing her, but I'm actually impressed. My bone. Look at her bone. You guys see that? My bone versus her. Who's cleaner? Oh, Lee. What a savage. They're savage. I say luôn. Alright. Last thing on the menu is their cheeseburger, which kind of looks stale right now. I'm just gonna save it, guys. I think I know how a kid's cheeseburger is like, so yeah, I know how it tastes like, guys. You know what? I'm gonna take a bite of this, guys. Bite of this. Good time. Guys, got it. Nice. Oh man. Super pumped for this. Or am I? Has pickle, mustard, and all that goodness on this too. We're just low-key though. She didn't want to be on camera, so she kind of low-key just like kind of be sneaky. But you know, we're just gonna be like, all right, we didn't see you. Super pumped for this. That's my future wife, guys. Eats the bone savagely, shy to be on camera, do whatever she can just to get out of the shop. We're just low-key. Don't tell her, guys. We didn't see her, right, guys? That was like a ninja move, guys. Way too well. Last thing, the apple pie. I want to say this. The looks of it already. You know how Canadian, I think Canadian and in America, the apple pie is like bready, you know? This is crispy. You hear it? This is like crispy, crispy. Oh man, guys, a bite of this. Click that. That's got it. Nice. Super pumped for this. All right. I don't know what's going on or who decided this, but this right here, it's amazing. This right here is crack, guys. Legit. They're crispy pastries, outer skin. And they're warm filling, guys. Today ngon lắm. Ngon. Oh, low key just be like, em đi đâu vậy? Where'd you go? Ăn chừng nữa, cầm nữa. Thôi cầm bên đây nữa không thiệt. Cầm bên đây. Đấy. Cắn muốn. Cắn vào đây. Ngon. She doesn't like that. That's really good though. Bón là nấu lên đường á. Ngon. That's really good. All right, that's it, guys. Just taking a small little break again, guys. Yes, I know, guys, you want some Vietnamese cuisine. I got you guys, okay? I'm heading back to my city, or my family city, in a few days here, and I'll take you guys around, all right? Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of our pop shirts, or I don't trust you shirt. Like, share this. Peace out.